My name is Alex. I'm here with iChongqing, and you can see behind me, this is the place to be tonight, where the Jialing and the Yangtze River meet each other in the fantastic raffles. We are going to see one amazing light show.
There will be fireworks, there will be lasers, drones, and synchronized lighting, so stay tuned because this will be an epic night. The atmosphere here is electric. Everyone's buzzing with excitement.
Well, I gotta tell you, the fireworks were invented in China, and China knows how to put on a spectacular show. This is an amazing drone show. Take it in, everyone. It's absolutely spectacular. There are thousands of people below us here watching this show, and every time a new image comes up, you can hear a roar. Wow, absolutely fantastic.
Everyone is waiting with anticipation here. There's a lot of people around us, not only for the amazing fireworks show, but also for this year to finally end, because we were down last year, but we're surely not out, and we're gonna fight back and have an amazing 2023.
You couldn't have said it better than Yulia did just now here. So 2023 is going to be an amazing year.
So, what are your feelings about last year, and what are your expectations for this year?
I want to use the word to summarize my 2022 uncertainty. The uncertain situation confused me. I wish 2023 and will be better.
Yes, in the past year we are restrained to many places. So in the future, I want to go more places. Maybe Sweden. Yes.
Look at this. There are thousands of people behind me here. Well, they want to be where I am. But guess what? You guys get to watch where I am tonight. You're going to see everything, the most spectacular light show and an amazing fireworks show. And the sky is lit up with lasers everywhere here. And I can see people all behind me.
新春快乐！
我们大概是6点50的时候，这是第一次现场来。
那你今天穿这个服装有什么特殊的含义吗？
因为这是中国的传统服装汉服，所以我希望就是在除夕夜的时候宣扬中国传统文化。我里面的衣服就是一个马面裙子，再加上一个上衣，然后其实我还戴了一个项链，只是看不怎么出来。爆竹声中一岁除，新年万物都复苏。祝愿大家2023年万事如意，健康幸福。
And tonight, what does tonight mean to you?
Tonight that means new beginning.
New beginning.
Yeah.
And what do you expect on the show tonight? Are you excited? Nice,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, it's the first time because we are protect our environment.
That's
So
right.
that's why we forbidden to use the firecrackers.
Right. Well, it's going to be a very emotional night for you, a very emotional night for me.
这是第一次看这个烟花表演。
对，因为就是重庆已经很多年都没有就是组成这样放烟花了嘛。然后呢，就是很难得，然后就是想来看一下，就是很期待、很激动，就是希望2023年就是大家都能够顺顺利利、开开心心的。
In about an hour, the sky is going to light up. You can see the fireworks are from the barge out in the middle of the water there, and there are thousands of people below us. A remarkable show here in Chongqing. This is what we call the grand finale here, ladies and gentlemen. They're lighting up the skies here in Chongqing as far as the eyes can see. Wow, what a grand finale. That was the fireworks. It just is deafening. You can see now the laser lights are going on behind us here.
I've never seen anything like this, and by the sound of it, neither did the crowd here. They were wowing and shouting, and every spectacle, this was unbelievable, absolutely gorgeous, a beautiful night, and people have truly rejoiced.
Tonight you could see a lot of people really embracing the evening here. And just when you thought the fireworks were over, another roar came.
The night was on fire. People were energized, and we all needed that celebration. So I feel like this night was just electric.
Thanks for watching. From iChongqing here, I'm Alex, and this is Julia here in the fantastic view of the Grand Theater behind us and the beautiful skyline there in, of course, Yuzhong District. Thanks for watching. Take care.